I see. I see.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be exploring Reptile Island. And I'm here with, does he have a name?
Yeah, this is Black Betty. She's our Asian water monitor.
Wow, look at this big boy. He's so cute. Look at his big head. Hi big boy snake. Look at you, you're so cute. When feeding on prey, I wonder what he eats. He's like, no, I don't want to go on your hand.
It's a Chipua gecko. It's a PDB bloodline, I believe is what it was.
Wow.
It's really sweet. Actually, it's a girl. We had her since she was a little baby. Raised her up.
Her body is very intricate. That is amazing, guys. Look at the tail, too. Do you know if they hang on to things with their tail?
Sometimes they can drop it, so they don't use that thing too much as often like anything else. She does kind of grab onto her branches in her cage whenever she wants to.
Get a close-up of those eyes. They're like leopard gecko eyes. Do you guys have any leopard geckos?
I do, I can bring one.
Really? Awesome. Thank you so much. Alrighty, guys. An albino leucistic leopard gecko.
This one's roughly around, let's say that's 6 month mark.
And I heard their eyes are so fantastic.
Yeah, get a little bug eyes.
That is so cool. Wow, look at him. He's so cute. Wow. Can you get a picture of us?
Looking direct eyes again too.
Oh, that's perfect. Thank you so much. This could be for like the thumbnail maybe. Alrighty guys, this is my little friend here. If you want, you could tell him a little bit of facts, if you could, about this dude.
So this is the mossy leaf, or Europlatus. It's a mossy leaf tail. These guys are very fun, very fragile, and you can see their tail. It looks like a little leaf. They're just like any other gecko, like a crested gecko. They're room temperature, a little more humid for these guys. They do eat dubia roaches, crickets, phoenix worms, mealworms. A little more active at night, but right now he's proven us wrong. They're just very fun. They do have those crazy looking eyes.
Wow. Well, thank you so much. His name is Carl, right?
Yep.
Yeah. This is Carl, everybody. Say hi. Woo! Alrighty. We'll give Carl back to his handler. Thank you so much. Alrighty.
So this one's a New Caledonian Leachianus gecko, one of the biggest geckos in the world. They're almost like your crested geckos, just a lot bigger. This one's a little guy. This guy's around 4 to 5 months old. He's been with us for a little bit, nothing too crazy. We got him in around three weeks ago. He's eating your gecko diet, like the Pangea food, the Rapashi, stuff like that. They can't eat crickets, but when they're smaller, everyone's feeding them the gecko diet.
He's so chunky too.
Yeah, he's a little chunky guy.
He does little jumps like this.
Yeah.
Whoop! Everybody, go check out Reptile Island. It is so cool. He's so cute. We got many reptiles over here. Let's just show them to you guys really quick. Let's go look at over here. So if you look over here, you can see this is an Argentine black and white tegu. That is so cool. Look how big he is. He's bigger than my hand. And then over here, this is another tegu, but it's purple. He's so cute. Oh, look at him. We're holding hands. Look at that. We're holding hands. Hello. Are we bonding? Look at this one. I wonder what his name is. Wow. Look how many scales he has on the back of his body. Wow! This is a zebra jungle carpet python. Oh, there he is! Look at him! He's looking at me! He's so cool looking. Hi! Hi, buddy! Oh, look at this Tristan! Oh, he's so cute. Look at the eyes. Look at his face. He is so cool looking. This is hilarious. I'm not even joking. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Can you tell us a little bit more information about this guy?
Yeah, so this is an Asian water monitor. The black phase is melanistic, and they call those black dragons. She's only probably like 3 to 4 years old. She's still got more growing to do. When they get full grown, adults can reach anywhere from like 7 to 8 feet typically. That's with a long tail, but swimming in like big massive waterways in Asia, they'll go through and kind of munch up whether they catch fish or birds. They find and raid a nest of eggs. They go crazy for protein, as you can kind of see. She's just checking everything out.
She wants the protein. Look at her. Wow. Oh, that is so cool.
Wow.
Wow, there it is. It's gone.
Whole
It's
thing?
gone.
It's gone now.
Wow. Can I pet her? Okay.
Straight on the back.
Wow. Look at that, guys. Well, thank you so much, and thank you for letting us come and record at your place.
Oh, we appreciate you guys coming on by.
Go check out Reptile Island. Do you know the address of this place?
Yeah, we're in Yorba Linda. It's 3960 Prospect Avenue, Suite S for Snake in Yorba Linda, California.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. And what was your name?
Thank you. My name's Tristan.
Nice to meet
Pleasure.
you, Tristan.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
That's
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button and make sure to go on other adventures with your family and friends. Bye, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. And on we'll go.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, if
Oh,
you guys
really?
want to see your feed.
Yeah, we can put this in the
Okay, there we go.
I'm gonna